Hi, you got Cheeky Saver here, and I'm about to show you a cheap way to make sweetened condensed milk. I am on a site right now that makes sweetened condensed milk, and I looked up the nutritional facts because first we need to know what's in it. And it is evaporated milk, a tiny bit of salt, and sugar, mostly sugar. It's really mostly sugar, which is fine. That's what we need it to be. It is a sweetener for us, and I'm going to show you how to make the sweetened condensed milk. Then after that, I'm going to show you how to make the Dulce de Leche caramel sauce, and I know I don't say it right. I can say caramel sauce, and I can eat caramel sauce, and I can put it in my coffee, and that's all that matters. So here is how I got the amounts for the sugar in each can. First, we see each can is 300 mils. I've covered up the can so we can't see really the website for the brand of the company. You may be able to guess it, it doesn't much matter. But there are 4 grams of sugar. Oops, I don't even need that yet. There are 4 grams of sugar in each teaspoon, but there are 23 grams in this. So we need to know how many teaspoons. So we divide that by the 4, and that'll tell us exactly how many teaspoons. That doesn't tell us how many milliliters, and that's really the information we need for this. I will put it in cups later for American people because I know that will be different for you guys. So in order for it to be in the milliliters, I need to times it by 5 because each one of those 5.75 teaspoons has 5 milliliters in. So we're at 28 milliliters, and that is in 30 milliliters of the sauce in 2 tablespoons. Now when you add milk to sugar, it does go down and stuff, but this is just the way it is. It's far more sugar than it's milk. But it's 30 milliliters to 300, so it's times 10. So we times it by 10, and we have how many milliliters are in a 300 can. And that's obviously like 287.5. So we're looking at that much sugar, and then I will be adding the milk in and stirring it until I get my 300 milliliter allotment. So we will be able to see just how much of the milk is used, and I will come back in a few minutes and we'll do that. But if you're using this for a recipe, you would want to heat the milk and the sugar just on low until it's all dissolved and pull it off. Then you have your sweetened condensed milk that will work for your recipes once you've chilled it. If you're in a hurry, use an ice bath. And that's how you do that. So this will work for in recipes for people like Noreen Atticus 9799. She makes some great popsicles and stuff, and she uses sweetened condensed milk because she has it in her food storage, and not everybody does. It's expensive. It's like $3 a can to buy, and that doesn't jive with me when I know I can take my 22-cent can and I can make 2 cans at least out of it. So I'll be back in a minute, and well, in a few seconds I guess for you, and I'll show you how we're gonna make this work.